Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to factorize this. So I saw that we can take out common factor 3 and also x. And I'm left with x squared minus 48 divided by 3 would be 16. And then I saw that my 16, I could actually write it as 4 square. 4 times 4 is 16. And this means that I could further factorize the bracket by applying the special product of a square minus b square is actually equals to a plus b, a minus b. So this will be x minus 4, x plus 4. And that completes this question. Alright, let's move on to the next question.